this video, we will be sharing with you 5 differences between a human hair wig and synthetic wig to make your decision a little bit easier. Number 1, the first difference is their cost. Human hair wigs are more expensive because of their quality, whereas synthetic wigs are more affordable. Number 2, style. Human hair wigs are more versatile than synthetic wigs when it comes to styling. Definitely go to a professional stylist just to avoid damaging your wig. Number 3, the weight of the wigs. You'll find that synthetic wigs are lighter to wear on your head, whereas human hair wigs are slightly heavier. Number 4, shine. Human hair wigs tend to have a more natural shine to them, whereas synthetic wigs have a more of an artificial shine to them. However, with the advanced technology these days, synthetic wigs still look extremely natural looking. Number 5, wig maintenance. Human hair wigs require a lot more care and attention, whereas synthetic wigs don't require nearly as much. To care for your wigs correctly, you can shop wig maintenance products online at josephwigs.com. Watch our How to Care for Your Human Hair Wig and Synthetic Wig videos for more guidance. So there we are, 5 differences between human hair wigs and synthetic wigs. If you wanted to shop synthetic wigs and human hair wigs online, please head to josephwigs.com. If you found this video useful, click the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more helpful videos.